The two things I love most in life are sex and money. It's just that I didn't know until much later that they were connected.
Guess what, Molly? He wants to see you, too.
I like to be the center of attention.
You know, there's some things I won't do for any amount of money.
Gee, Molly, you did very well today. See, it wasn't so bad. You made a lot of money.
I mean, I made a lot of money for you.
Shall we make an appointment at the same time next week?
Sure.
Come on, let's have some fun.